Hey guys, it's William Jamie, and I've been traveling, even in hotel. I don't have the normal equipment on my studio, so I just bought a lamp and to put it here. Just and let me just zoom it out a little bit. I can just put it here to serve as a light source, and I want to keep recording as well as practicing. So yeah, I just don't seem to find this perfect angle. So yeah, let me just zoom it in a little bit. Okay, so maybe I can do something like this. And I just bought just a pencil with me. So let's start drawing. So I want continue to practice about gesture. What's that? Little piece of paper. I want to continue to practice about gesture, and yeah, let's just do it. So yeah, maybe this video will be like a sort of ASMR video. So yeah, guy here, going down. Like that. So yeah, let's just do a quick, really quick sketch. So I want this guy to would be a chin here. Yeah, so basically I want the whole gesture to be like move forward, okay, and backwards. Now remember, if you look at the chest area, this is the thing that I just learned. There will be like a bone here, like this, but this part is kind of empty. So do not connect this part if you want to get like a really smooth transition. Okay, do not connect this part, but rather you just draw another part here. So for example, if you want to draw a the pelvis part, you can just draw a shape like this. Okay, and go that way. Something like that, and then you can connect the dots. Okay, just make it like a really smooth, going forward, backwards. So this way you're connecting the dots, become like a really smooth, and adding a little bit of muscle at the back. So this way you got like much more loose style rather than like really stiff. Get a little bulkiness and go back. Something like that. You just make it like a smooth hand, like something like that. Okay, it's just some gesture. And then the other side of the shoulder will be obstructed, so we'll just do them like this. The face here, of course you can like draw a lot of things. So for example, you can say like, hey, I want the guy to like look up, then you can draw something like this. Okay, things is like I'm not like accept all these changes, so I can do something like going up, something like that. Of course I want to look at, say, down here. I can also do that, so it'll be like adding more accents here, the jaw, and going back. Yeah, and the back of the head should like go back a little bit and then go move forward. So that's basically is like facing this way. So you can have like multiple options when you are like experiment things. Okay, so I want like a go back, and do not like move to very forward, but rather this should like connect to like very back, going inside a little bit and then move outside. This way is like much more natural way of doing things. Then you can draw here, something like that. So there's The female, you can do something like this. So you got like a hair, and hairstyle. You got like a thickness of hair, so maybe go some this way. So like a maybe she's like an angel and flying, something like that. You can of course do something like this. And of course, if this is a male, you can also do like a more squared chest, something like that. So if it's a female, you can more like a rounded and then chest. I'm not going to do that. Just want to get everything like around smoothly. So yeah, of course, I think I can like transfer from male and female because most of the time the male female is the same. But just some parts, so for example the pelvis part, the female should like go more wider because of the bone. Yeah, right now I just want to keep everything like neutral. Okay, just change the gesture a little bit. So maybe something like this. Okay, I need to add a volume to this part, so I can like go this way, this way, this way, this way, so I can have more volume. So I can find like approximately like the side here and separate the leg. Okay, you should not go just straight line, but rather go outside and inside a little bit, just a little bit, showing a little bit volume, so I can actually just make it showing the volume. And say her pelvis would like go outside a little bit. Maybe I'm going to show it here, then going here, and things I want to show volume, so like this way. So we go down, then maybe then move forward, something like that. So maybe move forward here, and then toe, something like this. And of course this will have showing the volume of this. Need to have a little bit like a showing of the bone. And then of course you can say the another hand is like going backwards, just like a ballet pose, something like that. Say the yeah, you can like go something like here, inside and outside. Yeah, just to make it like really smooth. So this is more like a male in this pose, so maybe make like it short here. Okay, doesn't really matter. I just want to like quickly practice. So a quick takeaway is the chest area. So for example, I'm going to like rotate her a little bit. So the chest area, we have something like this. So the central line. Okay, I'm going to make it much more rounded. Something like this, and then the pelvis part should like move it down a little bit. Okay, and then we got this shape like this. Maybe because of the perspective, so we like move narrower, going back. Okay, maybe here. I want to also show the volume. Okay, and then connecting the dots. You can say rounded because you can't just see through and look at the bone, so you have to add in a little bit volume, consider the volume. And then here, so if it's like a inside, you need to like fill the inside a little bit, and then because we got bone here, so it should like a little bit outside, and then add a little bit of volume here, so should get some. And belly button somewhere like this. You have to make it like a really smooth, but also show the volume, and then you can like continue to get down, or maybe like we got it like this folding area, maybe here, something like this, and then move backwards and then forward, something like that. So this is what I learned. So connecting the volume part and adding a little bit, considering what's inside, but also like make a rounded shape. That's what I learned today. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.